In this tutorial, you will create a helical spring using the coil tool. Open a new Inventor file using the standard IPT template. Click the Start 2D Sketch button on the ribbon and select XY plane. Click the Circle Center Point button. Select a point on the left portion of the horizontal axis. Move the cursor outward and click to create a circle. On the ribbon, click Centerline and then click the Line button. Select the origin point of the sketch, move the cursor upward, and click to create a center line. On the ribbon, click Dimension, select the center line and circle. Move the pointer downward and click. Type 1.575 and press Enter. Add the diameter dimension to the circle, as 0.236 inches. Finish the sketch. To create a coil, click Coil on the ribbon, the coil dialog appears. In addition, the profile is automatically selected. Now, you need to select the axis of the coil. Select the center line as the axis. Click the Coil Size tab in the dialog. On the Coil Size tab, specify the pitch as 0.590 and revolution as 8. Click the Coil Ends tab in the dialog. Specify the settings start and end as flat, on the Coil Ends tab. Click OK to create the coil. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Save the model as coil IPT and close the file. Thank you for watching.